Alright, my peeps, so we're up on the cleanup process here now. So we're basically finished. We have a couple pieces dropping still. But basically finished. Oh, Ponzi. Yeah, so. So I will cut out the round here, so. Eh? Yeah, so we'll clean up, we're going to do some grouting. Yeah, so everything will go grow up. And we have them place have to trim up around them up and thing. Yeah, so. Yeah, so this is how it will look like. So we have a couple pieces of tile to drop in on the front. Yeah, so just a couple pieces around this one. We have yourself a trim up and line up here now. Yeah, so round here so now. Yeah, so we just have two little pieces inside the same way. I've been a couple pieces of a drop in. So we do everything one time, people. So we are line up, we are clean up, we are do everything. We have a grow. Yeah. So it's straight. So tile nice and pretty. The man driveway sweet.
My time done now, I'm logging my gone, my time done. 5 o'clock, Yeah. Why? Couple more. Play past couple, I'll be a late night, me a go, so more go hurt.
I want to have a little key, man. Alright, my people. Alright, my people. So right now, we gotta do some grouting. Eh? Yeah. So I get the place growth up. I'll say we have a few pieces of tile we drop in, but you know, we'll try get the place growth up still. Growth up as much as we can growth up. Yeah. So the whole has to grow up already. Yeah, we grow up a whole ISO. Right in front of the garage, come down. Yeah. So we take off the little square. We're not touch over on the side yet. Only for growth in rainfall yesterday.
Yes.
So that giant over there so kind of having some water, so still have to make it dry out. But we get the whole other side that growth up. So tomorrow now we come in, finish the grouting, cut out the round them, and get a final clean up. Yeah, so I'm say all around so everything around us so growth up. Yeah, but as I say we're coming in tomorrow, come get a final clean up. So we have all of them places have to cut out. You know, the round have to cut out. Yeah. So when we come in tomorrow and we just cut out the round them. Cut out over that the side the same way. You know, we just rough put on. So we have all of them places have to cut out. Yeah. Then what we are going to do next is drop in them tile right at the gate. Yeah, so we have them tile in, so now we are going to drop in. Yeah, so we are going to cut this tile, I going to cut straight down the line there, so.
No, man, me have foot.
Yeah, so
Me have foot.
we have in this of the tile out. Yeah, so we have over there, so. So I say we are going to do some grouting.
That's the most important thing. We're the young one, so you know you can take care of business. No, nobody never talk about no really no. I'll tell you, no, just one.
Yes, so.
So we when the gentleman said that I'm going, he must go and the water, and my mom. I just go here.
Yeah, so we're not touching water so yet. Yeah, we still have water so for growth, so as I say, you know, tomorrow we're going to finalize them thing, you know. Yeah. So in the evening, you know, I like the best time for growth, you know, when the sun kind of cool down. Yeah, the best time to do some growing. Yeah. So how just not clean up yet. We don't do nothing with the water so as yet. You know. So water so where water so to clean up and growth. Yeah, so this is the floor. Yeah. Nice and sweet, my people. Yeah, man, so as you can see, you know, everything just beautiful. Once it grows and we clean up, then you will see the real beauty of it. Yeah. So I say we just have them places that we cut out the round them and thing. Yeah, once we cut out the round them, we're good. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, my people. So this is some 12 by 24 porcelain, nice porcelain tile. Nice and tough. Yeah. Real outdoor tile them. You know. Nice garage purpose. Driveway. Yeah. As I say, I'm tough. Some real tough tile them. Yeah. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Reason with me. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah, so as I say, we gotta take time to do some growing so if we can get the place growth up. Yeah. Alright, my people, so we'll be back on it again. Yeah, so we start cut out the round them, you know. Yeah. Start the round, we have to do some growth in same way. Yeah, so as I say, we have to do some growth in same time. Yeah. So we just stop it here so for the time being. Right there, so. So we still have that little corner that we cut out. Once the growing done, yeah, we set up the little part there. Go through the growing and go on.
A bottle of rum.
Yeah. So that's how we do some growing. Then we clean up.
You can't the one you lamb in a punsi.
You see a rum you want, Donovan?
Eh?
Rum you want?
Yeah, a bottle of rum.
Yeah. So I say we are going to do some growing same time. And then I'll drop in them two little piece down the line here, so. So we have Venus if we go in.
Find any water? I don't mean I chuck it.
No, me not find none yet, you know.
No.
Yeah. So we just get a rough wipe. I will clean up when we done see them here. Yeah, so we don't get a final clean up. You know.
When you don't in a track, it's harder.
Then you will see the beauty of this place. But no matter blue him out. A sand did grow out no more, so you know go really do it none to that, you know.
Good man. You don't have to worry yourself when be frightened.
Yeah, so I'm saying we're going to do some growing. Eh? Go on. What around if you $300?
$100 anything brown pass off around there.
Oh.
You see they still put up the Black Friday sale.
Eh?
Continue. And partial too.
Parkers, that's still a Black Friday sale. Yes, my people, so I say we are cutting a little last piece there. We have yourself a drop in, so we are going to do that and grow it up. You see the growth in still a go on, so you know. You want to get the whole of this place done and clean up. Alright, my people, so right now, yeah, we'll do some cleaning up.
Drink too much more.
Yeah, so done with the grouting. Yeah, so clean off the place I know. Yeah, son, hot in idea. Yeah, man. So place nice and sweet. Yeah, so guys, we look good in the paper. Quer sponge come da punzi? Yeah, so as you can see, we clean it up. Yeah, so this is how it look like, you know, everything nice and sweet. As you can see, clean. Yeah. Yeah, man. So if you watch the video to this far and subscribe, you know, just subscribe to the channel. Like, share and subscribe. Share the video. Comment on the video. You know, help the channel to grow. Yes, my people. So as I say, we always try to do the best at all times. On every job, 100%. No matter how small the job is, you know, always give it our best. Yeah. As you can see, it's nice and sweet. Everything up and running. Yeah, nice and decent finish to the garage. Clean finish. Yeah, same type of finisher. Everything just blending in back. Yeah, so as you can see the people. Looking good. Yeah, real professional finish. As you can see, we have cleaned up the floor now. Yeah. It's the most they would mop. Yeah, man. So when we done a job, we always like to clean it up, you know. Make the job look good. Yeah, so we'll get on the tool to final piece of tile around, so you know. I'm gonna clean up the side as it. So yeah. Let's get on them tool pieces of tile. We're gonna come around so grow and so clean up. Me have more, man, that can dash it. I'm not to say, remember, say, one will eat, have no punsi. So nice and sweet, my people, nice finish. Alright, my people, so we're done here now. Yeah, grow top. So we'll clean up the floor. If you want. If you want, you can go in there. Floor clean up nice and sweet. Yeah, man.
Nah, go okay.
I'll post it then.
Nah, go okay that one.
The one that's supposed to put.
Eh?
I want to put one more.
You want to put one right there, so?
Yes, my people, so as I said, we're done and clean up. Yeah. So you know the floor clean up and thing. Yeah, when we're done work, we always clean up a floor. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice look. Everything nice and sweet. So yes, my people, so as I said, this is how it look like. Nice and sweet. So we're done. Clean up. Pull up at.
This, you know?
He head no good, man. No put it, no plug it back in. He head that he want cut off.
The wrong building, the wrong thing there. I tap it up here.
Me realize.
You know, no.
He want cut off, man.
That's trouble, boy.
Yes, my people, so as I said, we're done and we clean up. So see the truck, you know. Down at the truck with tile out it. They're nice and sweet down in there.
That one is a use. That one cut off. Eh? Oh. No, man, I'm there, chat.
Hmm?
You might tell me you chat and end up. You know, skip
Chai. Put up this, sir. Yeah, so as I say, everything clean up, you know. Looking good. Nice and sweet. Yeah, man, floor nice. Trust me. You can't follow back the car, that Chai. The plug-in part they want to change. Yes, my people. Right, this is the finish work. Yeah, so this is the finished product. As I say, when we're done with the job, we always clean it up. You know? So we like to see our job clean and pretty. Yeah, look good. Yeah, man. So this is a job well done, as myself. Clean up and everything like that. Yeah. Sun hot in the evening, you see them with. Yeah, so this is the real color of the tile, you know. I just the sunlight make it kind of look different. Yeah, but this is the real thing. Yeah, this is the real shade of the tile. So as we say, my people, we're done. The grout up and everything clean up. You know. Yeah, so place look nice and sweet. Yeah. This is the thing we always do when we finish your job. Clean up. Yeah, so everything done. Grout up, we clean up. Chai, carry him up, come. Carry him up. Yeah, so. Yeah, one little spot there, so. You see? Yeah, so the 7 people, everything grout up and clean up. You know, see it? Yes, my people. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, man. Everything nice and sweet. Clean finish. Alright, my people, so you don't know it go. You know, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, so job done. Well done. Yes, my people, up and running, so you don't know you go catch up on the next video. Alright.